Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Vikram. Being the first class of our HTML5 course, we will start this course with a very basic definition of HTML. Let's start this course with the question, what is HTML? HTML is the code used to structure a web page. So whenever we want to create a web page, first we have to structure it. In order to structure that web page, we need HTML. The best way to understand structuring a web page is, so we will take a real world analogy and we will try to understand it. For example, if you want to construct a house, so first part of constructing a house, what we are going to do, first we have to structure the house. Means how it can be done by constructing the pillars and constructing the slab and constructing the walls. So this is the basic structure. So by constructing that basic structure, next we are going to do the remaining things where the beautification of the house and interactivities like making it a smart home can be done. But the very basic point is we have to structure it first. In the same way, in order to create a very beautiful and interactive web page, first we have to structure it. And that structuring of that web page is done by using HTML. Now, how it can be done? So further, the building blocks. So how the structuring of the web page is done by using building blocks of HTML, which is what we call it as HTML elements. So HTML elements are used to structure a web page. So this is the syntax of HTML element. And this is one of the elements. There are lots of HTML elements that are available, and in our later coming videos we will cover all the possible HTML elements. So this is our first HTML element that we will try to understand it, and using this element what we are going to construct, what we are going to create on our web page. So using this element we are going to create a paragraph. P stands for paragraph, and this is the syntax of HTML element. And this part of the HTML element is what we call it as opening tag, and the name of the tag is P. And this part of the HTML element is what we call it as closing tag. So the name of this closing tag name is P. Means we are going to create a paragraph, and the opening tag has been created and the closing tag has been created, and the content we want to keep within that paragraph. So we are going to keep the content of the paragraph between the opening tag and the closing tag. And this is how the HTML elements will look like. And so is it required to learn HTML elements by a web developer? Yes. And it is very important to have a very detailed understanding of HTML, because there are many reasons to understand. As we go on, we'll try to understand every possible reason why we need to understand HTML. But if you want to be a professional and a very professional web developer, you may be a front-end developer or a full-stack developer, you need to have the sound knowledge on HTML. Okay, that's it for this video. So we are going to cover, that's it for this video. Hope you got the clarity on this concept. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. And if you have any doubts regarding this concept, please post your doubt in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.